Caldo de Res Mexican soup made easy and simple in your kitchen, and I'm going to show you how. What is Caldo de Res? This dish may very well be the best vegetable beef soup you'll ever eat. Seriously. In English, the Spanish word caldo means broth, and res or de res means beef or cow. It also goes by the Spanish name sopa de res. So let's get into this recipe. First off, we're going to start with 2 pounds of beef shank or New York steak. Great cuts, and you're going to cut them into large chunks. You're going to cut your corn on the cob into small pieces like this, like just cut them in half. You're going to have a fresh head of cilantro, 2 large potatoes cut into large chunks or cubes, half a head of cabbage, 2 large carrots, and half of an onion cut into quarters. So first off, we're going to take our beef chunks and we're going to put them into 12 cups of boiling water and let that cook for about an hour and a half. Here we go. Okay, we'll let that cook a little bit. Okay, so I added my onion and my whole head of garlic, and we're gonna now let this all cook together for an hour and a half. Okay, so the 1.5 hours are up and it's time to add our vegetables. Ooh, that looks so great. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our cabbage, and we're gonna slide this to the side, like so. Okay, and we're gonna add our carrots, our potatoes, and our little corns, like so. Let's get this all submerged in there. Oops. Get all these corns in there, just like so. Okay. And we're gonna add our zucchini in 10 minutes from now. So we're gonna let this simmer with the lid on for 10 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, so my 10 minutes is now up, and it's now time to add my last vegetable, which is the cubed zucchini. And we're gonna go ahead and add that in. Oops. Add all this lovely zucchini in, and I'm gonna add a little bit of my caldo de res bouillon, and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of that to my soup. Add it over here. Okay, just a little bit more there. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and give that a nice little mix. Use what I have here. Get that mixed in there. Okay, and so now we're gonna go ahead and let this simmer for 10 minutes and it'll be done. And we'll give it a nice taste test. Okay, my caldo de res is done. Easy peasy. Let's get this served up. It smells absolutely delicious. I'm gonna put one of these corns first. I'm gonna get some of this fall apart beef. Check that out. Oh my God, I'm getting a facial as we speak. This looks amazing. Love it. Love it, gotta have it. So delicious. And I'm gonna add a little bit of a garnish. I'm gonna put a little bit of green chili in there just to give it a little bit of extra flavor. Not that it needs any extra flavor, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And now let's give this a taste test. I gotta be careful, I don't wanna burn my mouth this time. Meat is fall apart. The consistency is beautiful. Everything's cooked. My corn's cooked, my potatoes cooked, my squash is just right. Let me taste the broth. Here we go. Has that wonderful aroma of cilantro. Yummy. Oh my goodness. So good. This is a definite make. I will do this again and again and again as fall comes and winter comes. This is a definite repeat. I definitely recommend you guys try this recipe. I'll put the description of how to do this in the description box below. And again, I'll see you in the next video.